们好，我是春燕。Hello, this is the Chinese language instructor Chun Yan. Welcome to Mandarin for Our Classroom. In today's lesson, we're going to talk about how in Chinese. How, 怎么 and 怎么样. But what is the differences between 怎么 and 怎么样? Let's talk about it. Firstly, let's talk about the three usage of 怎么. First one, 怎么 how. It's used before verb, asking about how to do something. The structure is subject plus 怎么 plus verb plus object. For example, how do you go to work? 你怎么去上班？你怎么去上班？ I take subway to work. 我坐地铁去上班。我坐地铁去上班。How do you learn Chinese? 你怎么学中文？你怎么学中文？ I learn Chinese online. 我在网上学中文。我在网上学中文。How do you pay? 你怎么付费？你怎么付费？ I use bank card. 我刷卡。我刷卡。The second usage of 怎么 can also be used to ask why or how come question. The structure is subject plus 怎么 plus verb plus object. For example, why don't you drink beer? 你怎么不喝啤酒？你怎么不喝啤酒？ Because my stomach is not comfortable. 因为我的胃不舒服。因为我的胃不舒服。How come he's not here yet? 他怎么还没来？他怎么还没来？ Because of a traffic jam on the road. 因为路上堵车。因为路上堵车。Why don't you go to school? 你怎么不去上学？你怎么不去上学？ Because I'm sick. 因为我生病了。因为我生病了。The third usage of 怎么 can also be connected with adjective. The structure is subject plus 怎么 plus 这么 plus adjective. 这么 means so in English. It's used to emphasize the degree of adjective, such as she's so beautiful, the weather is so good, to express how can something be so plus adjective. For example, why are you so happy? 你怎么这么开心？你怎么这么开心？ How is your Mandarin so good? 你的中文怎么这么好？你的中文怎么这么好？ How could it be so hot today? 今天怎么这么热？今天怎么这么热？ Now let's talk about how to use 怎么样。怎么样 is used at the end of the sentence. I'm going to talk about 5 usage of 怎么样。The first one is used for greeting, for the people whom you already know for a long time. Just like you ask, how is it going? What's up? 你怎么样？你怎么样？ Or 你最近怎么样？你最近怎么样？ How have you been recently? You can answer not bad, 不错，不错 or so-so, 还行，还行。The second usage of 怎么样 is used to ask someone's opinion, how to feel or how to think. The structure is subject plus 觉得 plus something or someone plus 怎么样。觉得 means to feel. What do you think of this Chinese teacher? 你觉得这个中文老师怎么样？你觉得这个中文老师怎么样？ What do you think of this restaurant? 你觉得这家餐厅怎么样？你觉得这家餐厅怎么样？ What do you think of this interview? 你觉得这次面试怎么样？你觉得这次面试怎么样？ The third usage of 怎么样 is ask what about something or someone. For example, what about this company? 这家公司怎么样？这家公司怎么样？ How is his cooking? 他做饭怎么样？他做饭怎么样？ How well does this teacher teach? 这个老师教的怎么样？这个老师教的怎么样？ The fourth usage of 怎么样 add 不 to negate 怎么样 to express something is not so good. For example, this movie is not so good. 这个电影不怎么样。这个电影不怎么样。He doesn't cook well. 他做饭不怎么样。他做饭不怎么样。I don't sing very well. 我唱歌不怎么样。我唱歌不怎么样。The fifth usage of 怎么样 is used to give a suggestion. The structure is suggestion plus 怎么样。For example, how about we go to play tennis on weekends? 我们周末去打网球怎么样？我们周末去打网球怎么样？ How about going to Italy together on holiday? 我们假期一起去意大利怎么样？我们假期一起去意大利怎么样？ How about we have Chinese food today? 我们今天吃中餐怎么样？我们今天吃中餐怎么样？ Thank you for learning Chinese with me. Please use them and practice in different situations. Please leave your question and comment. I'll see you again next time. 再见。